Really excited today to be reintroducing you to Leostream, or maybe you're hearing about us for the first time, but in any case, I want to tell you why Leostream and the solutions we provide are perfect for your secure access and control needs. So first, let's talk a little bit about why you come to Leostream in the first place. Well, in today's world, really access has changed. Everyone is part of a hybrid environment, whether hybrid means your teams are distributed or hybrid means your infrastructure is a mixture of cloud and on-prem. Maybe you have traveling users. IT's job now in controlling access to these systems has become very complex. And what we want to do at Leostream is simplify that process for you in a way that is very, very secure. And one of the keys to that security is removing the need for any of these legacy systems you might have in place, such as VPNs or full stack VDI solutions that are really no longer fit for the modern workflows that your organization has. So to talk about what we do provide, it's really two things. The first side of Leostream is the Leostream Platform. It has been under development since 2008 and is really the key for providing centralized access and control over what could be reasonably complex environments. Maybe you have on-prem and cloud, as I mentioned. Maybe you have a mixture of Windows, Linux, and Mac. Whatever you have, however you need to connect your users, our goal with our Leostream platform is to allow you to build and model your business use cases that satisfy your needs in the best way possible. Now, our platform consists of a connection broker, which is the key for connection management and providing the policy control to your hosted resources. And then it has a Leostream gateway, which is the VPN replacement that you'll use for remote access. The key when we've been working and developing this platform over time is that we always try to remain vendor neutral to everything else in the stack. And that allows you to design and build an environment that works best for your needs. Again, whether that be on-prem, cloud, a mixture of high performance protocols and commodity protocols like RDP, you can do that all within our environment. And as I mentioned, we have been around since 2008. So over that time, we have proven ourselves in a variety of different use cases, from managing digital workspaces to high performance compute and graphics. We do a lot in the media and entertainment space, which is why in 2022, we were awarded a Engineering, Science, and Technology Emmy, which we were very excited about. So that's one side of Leostream. The other side then is something that we just introduced earlier this year, which is the vendor privileged access management solution. The key here is now with the Leostream platform, you're managing your employees. Now you want to look at who else is touching your corporate resources. In many cases, you have third-party vendors who need to perhaps maintain a Linux operating system or update an application such as a database. But you don't want to wrap those users into your full employee-based remote access solution, and you don't want to be giving these external vendors VPN connections or secure credentials to log into these operating systems. So instead, what you can do is you can use Leostream's VPAM solution to provide secure access for these vendors, again, in a way that's very, very simple. Our goal was to really focus on this one use case of external vendor access and make it easy for you to do so that you could plug any security holes you had by handing out VPNs and credentials. And to show you just how easy it is to do, I'm going to flip over here to my demo account for Leostream VPAM. So here I'm logged in as Milo, and Milo is actually a vendor. And Milo has put in one request to access a resource that me, as the main account admin, says he has access to. Well, let's say while he's waiting for that database server access to be approved, he also has decided that he is the one who manages the underlying Linux operating system for my Leostream connection broker. So I'm going to provide a little request, need to do an OS update, and put that request in as well. So now Milo has these requests pending, but he can't actually log into anything until those requests have been approved by the owner of those resources, which is me over here in this tab. So now if I look at my requests, I have the 2 pending requests. I can approve them. I can reject them if I don't want someone in my systems at that time. I can even come in and I can change the time frame during which the request is valid, or send notes back and forth if I need to provide some communication with Milo. I'm just going to go ahead and approve those right now. And then we can look over here at Milo's. Now he has 2 active requests, meaning they've been approved and the time frame is valid. And now we can actually come in and launch these connections. And what you'll see is you launch, he's warned that the connection is going to be recorded. So you have a nice audit level tracking of all the mouse movements and the actions that he'll take on that device. And then he can hit connect, and you'll notice it's an in-browser connection. So no software is required on the client device, and also no software is actually installed on this Linux box in the back end. You can also launch a Windows connection using browser-based RDP. So a lot of different ways to secure access using Leostream. If you would like to learn more about the company or the products we provide, you can reach out to us at sales@leostream.com.